Balance Buddy. Balance a popsicle stick on your finger. You'll need a popsicle stick, a pipe cleaner, and 2 clothespins. Step 1. Try to balance one end of the popsicle stick on your finger. What happens? Step 2. Twist the middle of a pipe cleaner around one end of the popsicle stick. Wrap it tightly and make sure the length is even on both sides. Step 3. Attach a clothespin to each end of the pipe cleaner. Step 4. Now try to balance the popsicle stick again. What happens? Dr. Zed explains. Every object has a center of gravity or balance point. Usually, the balance point on a popsicle stick is in the middle. This makes it hard to balance the end on your finger. When you add clothespins to either side, you lower the center of gravity. It's easier to balance the stick with the weight hanging below your finger. Have fun!